Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Sikho, learning, sharing, and growing together. In this channel, we'll be learning the different technologies which are widely used in the IT industries like Java, .NET, Angular, React, Agentic AI, Python, artificial intelligence, and many more. So here in this channel, I'll be uploading the videos in a series format like Angular series, Java series, Agentic AI series. Okay, so my first series video would be Angular series. So let's start with the first video, that is Angular. So what is Angular? So when we heard about the Angular, obviously it comes in our mind that what is Angular, why we are using Angular, where you can use Angular, what is the benefit of using Angular, and all these things. Okay, so Angular is basically a TypeScript based web application framework. So keep in mind it's a web application framework, it's not a language. Okay, TypeScript is a language which is used in the Angular. Okay, so all the business logic and all these things that we are writing inside the Angular application will be used by the use or the we can use the TypeScript. Okay, the Angular has been developed and maintained by Google. Angular is used to build the single page applications. So obviously it is coming in your mind that's what is single page application. So this thing also will be covering in the upcoming videos. It follows a component based architecture. Okay, so component based architectures, that is also obviously a questions for you, that what is component and what is component based architectures. So if you have heard or learned Angular JS, that is version 1. So that is completely a model view controller where you will get the JavaScript file. But in the Angular 2 and above, that JavaScript file and your architecture has been completely replaced with the components. So here you will get the components. Okay, inside the component you have a TypeScript code that will get help you to render the your UI, okay, in the browser. It's provides the built-in tools like the routing, forms, HTTP clients, and dependency injections. So all these features will be studying in the upcoming videos. Okay, it's ensure a high performance, scalability, and the maintainability for the large applications. So Angular is not only used for the small scale application. Okay, it is used for the widely used or the large scale applications. Enterprise level application also we will be using Angular. Okay. So this is the end of the first video, what is Angular. Hope you have liked the video, and if you have liked the video then please press the bell icon and press the like button also, and subscribe the channel to get updated about the upcoming video. Thank you.